The law offices of Scoville and Scoville, serving the Sun Coast of Florida for over 35 years.
Hello, my name is Bart Scoville and I'm one of the attorneys here at Scoville and Scoville. And today I'm here to talk to you about limited liability companies. Limited liability companies, or LLCs, are one of the most versatile business forms available to business owners in Florida today. Like corporations, they provide liability protection against business creditors, which are not available from sole proprietorships or partnerships. But unlike corporations, they can choose to be taxed as either sole proprietor in the case of a single member LLC or partnerships in the case of multi-member LLCs. And in the case of either, they can choose to be taxed as a corporation if they wish to be taxed that way. One of the other benefits of the limited liability companies, unlike a corporation is required to maintain certain formalities. And if they do not maintain those formalities, then there's a chance that the company can be disregarded by either creditors or taxing authorities. Limited liability companies do not have to maintain these formalities and do not run that risk. In addition, limited liability companies provide protection, as I said, against business creditors, which are not available with the sole proprietorships and partnerships. However, with a corporation, what is not protected is the creditors of the owners. Let's say if you're in business with another person and that person has a lawsuit against them and gets a judgment, the creditor from that judgment could attach that person's ownership interest, and then you would have a new business partner. In addition, they could come in and as a owner of the corporation could force the corporation to sell its assets to pay the debt. A limited liability company protects its owners from business creditors, but it also has somewhat of a protection against personal creditors of the owners. This is very useful if you have more than one owner, and also if the LLC has significant assets. The way this protection occurs is a creditor of a LLC owner cannot attach the ownership interest of an LLC. All they can do is get what's called a charging order against the ownership interest. And what the charging order says is that if there's any profits paid out, then that creditor gets the ownership interest share that they have the charging order against. However, what occurs there is they also have to pay taxes that are due based on that ownership interest. So if there are no distributions, it's possible that a creditor could end up paying taxes on money they never see. Therefore, it's very unattractive for creditors to attach ownership interest in LLCs, and that's what creates the protection against the creditors of the owners of the LLC. The last thing that's of benefit to the LLC, it's a little more expensive to set up. However, the renewal charge or the renewal fees due to the state of Florida are less expensive. So in the long run, it's actually less expensive to set up an LLC. So that is why the LLC is probably the most common type of business being set up today, and one that you should consider unless you have a specific reason not to. So if you have any questions regarding this or any other issue, then please check us out on the web at scovilles.com, or you can give us a call. Thank you very much.
If you have any questions regarding the information contained in this program or any other legal issue, you can visit us on the web at www.scovilles.com or call us at area code 941-365-2252. Thank you.